Hey guys, I am back with another cleaning video for you. So recently I decided that I wanted to try getting 1 or 2 things done at night that I would usually save for the daytime to try to make it so that I don't have as much to do during the day. I've just been feeling like a crappy mom lately, honestly, and like I'm spending too much time during the day trying to get housework done and not having enough time to actually do things with my kids. So that's what you're going to see in this video, just some of the cleaning and chores that I got done in the evening for the past few nights, and it's actually been helping a lot. It's great to wake up in the morning and have something that I needed to do that day already be done. Let me know if any of you guys do something similar, and if you enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. This first night I just did a pretty good cleanup of the kitchen so that it would be ready to go in the morning. I made sure the table was cleaned off. Any dry dishes that I had out that were like drying, I made sure that I put those away, and I cleared off my little clutter catching area.
I've been leaving you with questions. I know I should, but I don't wanna fall. I know with you I have to learn my lessons. You go up when I go down. You see clear when I go blind. When I fall hard, you turn me around. Oh, you go up when I go down. You see clear when I go blind. And oh, I hope you always be around. The show is over. Now you finally know it's you and you only. So hard trying to show it. Give you my all. Promise I'll be good. Waiting for answers, but now it's up to you. Now it's up to you. Questions. I know I should, but I don't wanna fall. I know with you I have to learn my lessons. And you go up when I go down, and you see clear when I go blind. When I fall hard, you turn me around. Oh, and you go up when I go down, and you see clear when I go blind. And oh, I hope you always be around. The show is over. Now you finally know.
On to the next night. I was so tired and I almost went to bed without sweeping, even though it really needed it, but I didn't want to do it in the morning, so I swept the kitchen floor.
I'll be good, waiting for answers, but now it's up to you. Now it's up to you. Waiting for answers. Now it's up to you. Waiting. You go up.
Then I just folded some laundry that I knew would get pushed to the side the next day.
And you see clear when I go blind. When I fall hard, you turn me around. And oh, I hope you always be around. The show is over. Now you finally know it's you and you only. So hard trying to show it.
And one thing I've started doing is sorting laundry the night before and getting the load ready for the next day so that in the morning it's all ready to go and I can just grab the basket and throw it in the wash. A different night now, and here I'm just doing a little dusting in the living room.
It's up
took down some of my fall decor from the fireplace. It felt so good to put some of that stuff away. The clutter was stressing me out.
I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like art, yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like art, yeah. I'm just curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we would.
On this night, I really wanted to tackle the bathroom, so I did a quick clean. I would usually vacuum the floor, but since the kids were all sleeping, I didn't want to turn it on, so I had to sweep instead, which was a little harder than vacuuming to get everything, but it was worth it to have a clean bathroom in the morning.
Even in my wildest dreams, even in my wildest dreams. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like art, yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like art, yeah. Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean.
And that is it for this video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it, and I will see you all for my next one.
Trying to figure me out, I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change.